Assalamualaikum. We are students from College of Computing, Informatics and Mathematics, course Diploma in Statistics from class CDCS 1114B, Group 3. Today, our group will present about laws of logic for subject MAT222, Mathematical Logic and Proving Techniques. Hi, my name is ᴜɪᴜᴍ binti Zulkarnain and my matrix number is 2022479712.
Hi, my name is ᴜᴜᴜᴜ Farisha binti Muhammad Syamsul Aswadi and my matrix number is 2022823718.
Hi, my name is Nuramaina Farina binti Muafarid and my matrix number is 2022676358.
Hi, my name is ᴜɪᴜᴜ binti Muhammad Irwan and my matrix number is 2022829616.
Introduction. Law of logic are the way to prove that the two statements are logically the same. Combination of basic operators such as negation, tautology, and contradiction are used to make the statement simpler. There are types of laws that are used when answering questions related to this topic. Each law has its own rules that explain the difference between the various types and how to apply them correctly based on the question.
Next is law of logic. There are 13 laws will be used in this topic. The first law is law of double negation. For example, if we see not P, it will be equivalent to P. The second one is De Morgan's law. If we see not in bracket P or Q, it will be equivalent to not P and not Q. The third one is commutative law. If we see P or Q, it will be equivalent to Q or P. The next one is associative law. For example, if we see in bracket P and Q and R, it will be equivalent to P and in bracket Q and R. Next is distributive law. If we see in bracket P and Q or R, it's equivalent to in bracket P or R and in bracket Q or R. Idempotence law. For example, if we see P and Q, it will be equivalent to P and P or Q also will equivalent to P. Next is identity law. For example, if we see P and tautology, it will be equal to P and P or contradiction also will equal to P. Next is identity law. For example, if we see P and tautology, it will be equivalent to P and P or contradiction also equivalent to P. Next is dominance law. For example, if we see P and contradiction, it will be equivalent to contradiction and P or tautology will be equivalent to tautology. Next is inverse law. For example, if we see P and not P is equivalent to contradictions and P or not P will be equivalent to tautology. Next is absorption law. If we see in bracket P and Q or P, it will be equivalent to P and in bracket P or Q and P also will equivalence to P.
The 11th of the 13 laws is implication, which is P implies Q logically equivalent, negate P or Q. Next is biconditional, which is P if only if Q logically equivalent, P implies Q and Q implies P. And the last one is contrapositive law, which is P implies Q logically equivalent, negate Q implies negate P.
Example 1. Simplify the following using the law of logic and state the reason. The question is negate bracket negate P implies Q and R or negate Q. To simplify this question, we use De Morgan's law. By using this law, we get negate bracket negate P implies Q and R and negate Q. The next step is we use double negation law. By using this law, we get negate P implies Q and R and Q. Next, we use implication. By implication, we get P or Q and R and Q. Next, we use associative law. By using this law, we get P or Q and R and Q. Next step, we use commutative law. By using this law, we get P or Q and R. Next, we use associative law. By using this law, we get P or Q and R. And the last one, we use absorption law. By using this law, we get Q and R.
For example 2, simplify the following using the laws of logic and states the reasons. The question is negate P and negate R or negate Q. Firstly, we simplify this to negate P and negate R or negate Q using associative law. Next, we get negate P or R and negate R or negate Q using distributive law. Then, by using inverse law, we get negate P or R and tautology or negate Q. After that, we simplify that to negate P or R or negate Q using identity law. And then, we use associative law to get negate P or R or negate Q. Next, we simplify that to negate P or R, negate Q or R using commutative law. And the last one is using associative law, and we will get the answer negate P or negate Q or R. This shows that negate P and negate R or negate Q is logically equivalent to negate P or negate or R.
Next is example 3. Simplify the following using the laws of logic and state the reasons. The question is negate M and S or negate M and P implies S or P. To simplify this question, we use distributive law. By using distributive law, we can get negate M and S or P implies S or P. The next step is implication. By implication, we get negate M and S or P or S or P. Next, use De Morgan's law and double negation. And we get M or negate S or P or S or P. The next step is associative law. By using this law, we can get M or negate S or P or S or P. The next step is using inverse law. By using this law, we can get M or tautology. And the last step is dominance law. By using dominance law, we can get tautology. To sum up, it is important to master the basic laws of logic. Memorizing these laws help you to answer questions easily, make better decisions, and solve the problem quickly.
That's all from us. Thank you.